Hi everyone, welcome to Zaman PC. Today I am going to show you how to enable Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 10. Windows Photo Viewer by default is disabled in Windows 10. As you can see here, there is no option for Windows Photo Viewer. So if I open this image, it opens in Photos, not in Windows Photo Viewer. To enable Windows Photo Viewer, I am going to use a software called Ultimate Windows Tweaker. Of course, there will be other ways to do this, but for the sake of this tutorial, I am using this tool. Go to Additional and click on this link, Enable Windows Photo Viewer. After enabling the Windows Photo Viewer, you can select any of your image and open with it. Here now you can see Windows Photo Viewer is back in Windows 10. So this was how to enable Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 10 using Ultimate Windows Tweaker. Please like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.